So there is a very important identity in logarithm that you need to be familiar with its techniques. And what exactly is it? And this is logarithm as an exponent. When you are having a logarithm to be acting as an exponent, what am I saying? When you have something like this, b raised to the power of logarithm of base b to a, the identity says that this is simply equals to a. So our goal in this video is to show that this statement is true, is to show that all we have at the left hand side is truly equals to what we have at the right hand side. So let's begin by setting all we have over here to be equals to some letter c. So log of base b to a to be equals to c. Now at this point, what we want to do is that we actually want to apply the definition of logarithm at this point, which says that b to the power of c will definitely be equals to a. So b to the power of c will be equals to a. All you need to do is to raise the base, okay, to the power of b, and that's all. Now let's focus on this. We said let log of a to base of b to be equals to c. So definitely the expression we have over here, we can actually replace log of a to base of b with c. And doing that, we're going to be left over with something like this: b to the power of c to be equals to a. Now, what if I tell you that we are done? We are through. We have shown that this statement is actually correct. Now, here's a question for you. The expression we have over here, is it actually the same as the expression we have over here? The answer is absolutely yes. B to the power of c is equals to a. So definitely the identity is true. And here's why the identity is true. So if you have a number like 5 to the power of log of base 5 to 14, this is simply equals to 14. So you just want to keep that in mind. Very simple and very straightforward. So let's try to go over a few examples. How can we evaluate? So try to pause the video and provide a solution to this problem. Evaluate log 7 raised to the power of log of 3. Sorry, log of 7 to 3. So try to pause the video and provide the answer to that. So that simply equals to 3. Okay. If you don't want to give your answer straightforward, you can actually apply the concept we did earlier. Okay. You can just set whatever you have here to be equal to some numbers and you get your answer. Okay. So now the next thing is to check out one more examples. Okay. Before I round up this video. All right. So what if you have something like this? Let's say 2 raised to the power of 3 log of 2 to 4. What will this equals to? Note, at this point, you can't just set that your answer is indeed equals to 4. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, you need to make sure that the coefficient of the logarithm is actually equals to 1. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. So all we need to do is to apply a concept in logarithm. Okay, typically an identity, which says that if you have a log of number to, let's say, x, log of base a to x is to the power y, we are allowed to bring y to the front of the logarithm value. Okay, and once you bring it to the front, you'll be left over with y log of base a to x. Okay, so this can be done in a vice versa way as well. When you have it in this form, you can actually turn into this. If you have it in this form, you can actually turn into this. Okay, so they can be done in a vice versa way. So just keep that in mind. So that's exactly what we are going to be using in this case. So the 3, we assume that is coming from the exponent of 4. Okay, it's acting as an exponent of 4 initially, so that's why it's come to the front of the logarithm. So we need to take it back as 2 raised to the power of log of base 2 to 4 raised to the power of 3. Now at this point, you can actually apply the law, okay, which says that whenever the base of the exponent is the same as the base of the logarithm, the final answer will be 4 to the power of 3. And 4 to the power of 3 in this case is simply equals to 64. So the final answer here is simply 64. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do just now. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up as well. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.